Unlock the secrets of wealth and prosperity with the power of gemstones. In this video, we'll explore the top 7 stones which can transform your financial future and how you can use them to attract abundance into your life. Number 1. Citrine. Meet Citrine, often called the merchant stone. This vibrant yellow gemstone is renowned for its ability to attract financial success and prosperity. Citrine promotes confidence, encourages wealth, and dispels negative energy. You can wear it as jewelry, place it in your wallet, or keep it in the wealth corner of your home or office. Number 2. Pyrite, Fool's Gold. Introducing Pyrite, also known as Fool's Gold. Despite its nickname, Pyrite is a powerful stone for attracting wealth and protecting against financial loss. Its metallic gold color symbolizes abundance and prosperity. Place Pyrite on your desk, carry it with you, or include it in a crystal grid to harness its energy. Number 3. Green Aventurine. Discover Green Aventurine, the Stone of Opportunity. This beautiful green gemstone is believed to bring luck, especially in financial matters. It encourages perseverance and helps attract new opportunities. Carry Green Aventurine with you, wear it as jewelry, or place it in the wealth area of your home. Number 4. Tiger's Eye. Boost your confidence and make sound financial decisions with Tiger's Eye. This striking stone, with its golden to reddish-brown hue, promotes courage, confidence, and success. Wear Tiger's Eye jewelry, keep it in your wallet, or place it in your office to enhance your decision-making abilities. Number 5. Jade. Welcome prosperity and harmony into your life with Jade. This revered green stone is a symbol of good luck and financial stability in many cultures. Wear jade as jewelry, carry a jade talisman, or place jade stones in the wealth corner of your home to attract balance and success. Number 6. Amethyst. Enhance your intuition and make wise financial choices with amethyst. This stunning purple gemstone is known for its spiritual properties and ability to bring clarity. Use amethyst during meditation, place it in your home to promote a positive environment, or wear it as jewelry to benefit from its insights. Number 7. Sunstone. Brighten your path to success with Sunstone. Known for its radiant energy, Sunstone brings joy, clears financial blockages, and boosts confidence. Wear Sunstone jewelry, keep it in your pocket, or place it on your desk to enhance motivation and positivity. Start your journey to wealth and prosperity today with these powerful gemstones. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on harnessing the energy of gemstones and achieving your financial goals. Thanks for watching.